Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am drawing Little Singham, drawing your most favorite character cartoon, and I know you all love it. So today I am drawing another video of this for you. First of all, I am drawing the cap of the Singham using the black pointer, and now drawing the glasses. If you like my videos, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button and do comment whatever drawing you like you wish me to draw for you. I'll draw any drawing for you. Now I'm drawing the rest of the body, the uniform of the Little Singham, just like this, and also his pockets, his details in the uniform, and now his hands. Further, his belt, pistol and the pants, and the drawing is about to be done. I hope you find my drawings easy, and any further suggestions or comments you want to know, please do let me know. Now here I'm using brush tip markers. These are very comfortable and easy to use. I suggest you also to use these markers other than the normal ones. Now I'm using the black brush marker for the detailing in the glasses and in the cap and in the belt. After that, now I'm using the brown marker for the other coloring parts of the uniform. First of all, the cap in downward strokes. Make sure none of any color gets out of the boundary of the uniform or the character. And now giving some horizontal strokes, again some vertical strokes for the rest of the uniform using the brown paint brush. It's not compulsory to use this, you can use anything, but I suggest you these are the best one. It gives the effects of watercolors and is very soft. So it's been colored. Bye bye.